talagang pambato daw sila.
May pasabog?
Oo,
Alam
sabi
ko
nga.
last year, ang daming pasabog nito. Excited ako this year. Mukhang may kakain ng ano ma'am buhay na manok.
Nasaan po yung mga construction workers natin? Ay, ang dami nila. Nakakatakot tuloy.
Okay, so let's start ma'am.
Yan. So, Merry Christmas, everyone! Welcome to the year-end party of Community Line Group of Companies and Rotary Satellite Club of Lawag Metro Community Line RC Pampanga Mega Central. And I am Miss Carrie.
I'm Sir Janelle.
I'm Ma'am Elaine. And we are your hosts for tonight's program.
And once again, welcome to our year-end party 2024. Palakpakan po natin ang bawat isa. Yan.
Thank you for coming.